Mazda is coming with the 2026 CX-90 and turning this three-row SUV into an even more compelling premium option. If you've been watching Mazda's push into luxury territory, these 6 updates prove the brand is serious about competing with established names like Acura and Audi. We're breaking down every meaningful change coming to the 2026 CX-90, and what makes this particularly interesting is how Mazda is adding premium features without the dramatic price hikes you'd expect from other brands. Number 6. Styling updates. The 2026 CX-90 isn't getting a complete visual overhaul, but that's not the point. What Mazda is doing here is strategic refinement, small but meaningful changes that enhance the vehicle's already sophisticated presence. The design philosophy remains rooted in the Kodo language, with that long hood and setback cabin that distinguishes the CX-90 from competitors still riding on transverse platforms. One of the most significant aesthetic additions is the universal availability of polymetal gray metallic paint across all trim levels. This color has become one of Mazda's most requested finishes. It's the kind of sophisticated metallic that looks completely different depending on lighting conditions, shifting from warm charcoal in bright sun to cool gunmetal in shade. Beyond the color palette expansion, Mazda is introducing new wheel designs and finishes that complement the CX-90's upscale positioning. The blackout theme extends to certain exterior elements, creating a more dramatic appearance for buyers who want their SUV to make a bolder statement. These updates work together to solidify the CX-90's status as one of the most stylish models in the three-row segment. While competitors chase aggressive styling or overly futuristic design language, Mazda sticks to elegant proportions and thoughtful details. So the exterior is getting a refined evolution, but a great-looking SUV means nothing if the inside doesn't match the promise, which is exactly where Mazda has made some of its most substantial improvements. Number 5. Comfort and convenience updates. Step inside the 2026 CX-90 and you'll immediately notice Mazda's continued push toward genuine premium quality. The cabin has always been one of this SUV's strongest selling points, with fabric dashboard inserts, high-quality materials, and attention to detail that rivals vehicles from established luxury brands. For 2026, Mazda is making critical comfort features far more accessible across the lineup. Anyone who's driven through a hot summer day knows the difference between standard leather seats and ventilated ones. It's not just about comfort, it's about arriving at your destination without your shirt soaked through. The most impactful change involves the migration of ventilated front seats, heated second-row seats, and a heated steering wheel down to the preferred trim. This represents a massive value increase for buyers who don't want to stretch their budget to the top of the range. For the plug-in hybrid models, the upgrades are even more comprehensive. All 2026 PHEV variants now come standard with 21-inch wheels, ventilated front seats, heated first and second-row seats, and an 8-way power adjustable driver's seat with memory settings. This standardization ensures that even the entry point to the electrified lineup feels genuinely upscale. Higher trims continue to offer Nappa leather seating surfaces. If you've never experienced Nappa leather, it's noticeably softer and more supple than standard leather. Premium Plus models also gain a 150-volt, 150-watt power outlet in the cargo area, solving a real problem for buyers who need to run power tools at job sites or power camping equipment without draining the vehicle's primary battery. But Mazda isn't just upgrading existing trim levels, they're introducing an entirely new variant that takes the CX-90 in a more aggressive direction. Number 4. Premium Sport Trim. For 2026, Mazda is introducing a new trim level that addresses buyers who want the high-output inline-6 engine combined with a more aggressive, athletic exterior appearance. The 3.3 Turbo S Premium Sport builds on the existing Turbo S powertrain, which delivers 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, but wraps it in a comprehensive blackout package that transforms the CX-90's elegant design into something decidedly more dramatic. The Premium Sport trim features a piano black honeycomb mesh front grille, black chrome signature wing badging, black 21-inch wheels, black exterior moldings, piano black mirrors, and a blacked-out Mazda brand logo. These changes create a cohesive, purposeful look that appeals to buyers who find the standard CX-90 a bit too conservative. The Premium Sport also includes a Bose 12-speaker audio system, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and the full suite of iActive-Sense safety features. This trim slots in at $53,940, positioning it competitively against similar performance-oriented variants from premium badged rivals. All that performance and style is impressive, but modern buyers expect their SUV's technology to match its mechanical capabilities, and that's where the CX-90 is making some of its most meaningful strides forward. Number 3. New tech features. Technology has been a focal point for Mazda as the brand works to close the gap with established luxury competitors. For 2026, the CX-90 is getting significant upgrades to its digital interfaces, with the most important change being the standardization of the 12.3-inch infotainment display starting at the preferred trim. When you're trying to read navigation instructions or monitor multiple camera feeds while parking, those extra inches of screen real estate make a genuine difference. The larger screen provides better visibility and includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. The addition of Amazon Alexa integration across all trim levels significantly improves hands-free functionality. Drivers can now use voice commands to adjust climate settings, request navigation routes, and control smart home devices without taking their hands off the wheel. Higher trims benefit from the 360-degree view monitor with see-through view and trailer hitch view. If you've ever tried to line up a trailer hitch without a dedicated camera angle, you know how much time gets wasted walking back and forth between the driver's seat and the hitch. This feature simplifies connecting a trailer, a practical addition given the CX-90's 5,000-pound maximum towing capacity when properly equipped. The driver personalization system, which automatically adjusts the steering wheel, seat position, and exterior mirrors based on which key fob is detected, is also becoming more widely available. Previously limited to top-spec Turbo S models, this feature is now included on PHEV Premium Plus trims. Technology upgrades are critical for staying competitive, but none of it matters if the powertrain doesn't deliver the refinement buyers expect from a premium SUV, and Mazda has been working hard to perfect that experience. Number 2. Powertrain evolution. Mazda isn't making sweeping changes to the CX-90's mechanical foundation for 2026, but the company is continuing to refine the driving experience through targeted software updates and calibration tweaks. The CX-90 remains available with 3 distinct powertrains: the 280 horsepower mild hybrid inline-6, the 340 horsepower Turbo S variant, and the 323 horsepower plug-in hybrid. For 2026, Mazda has implemented revised engine mapping and improved sound insulation to address early owner feedback. The inline-6 remains smooth and powerful, but the overall experience is more refined. The plug-in hybrid model represents the most critical area of powertrain evolution. The PHEV system combines a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor and a 17.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack to deliver a combined 323 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Nothing erodes confidence in a vehicle faster than feeling unexpected lurches or hearing clunky noises when the powertrain switches between electric and gas power. Early PHEV owners reported occasional roughness during transitions and minor clunkiness in the 1 to 2 shift range. Mazda issued multiple software updates throughout the 2024 and 2025 model years to address these concerns, and the 2026 model is launching with these corrections already integrated at the factory. The PHEV continues to offer 26 miles of EPA estimated all-electric range, which is sufficient for many daily commutes without burning a drop of gasoline. Combined fuel economy is rated at 56 miles per gallon equivalent, making it one of the most efficient 3-row SUVs on the market. Number 1. Pricing. Despite the comprehensive list of updates and feature additions, Mazda is keeping price increases remarkably modest for 2026. The 3.3 Turbo Select starts at $38,800, an increase of approximately $755 over the previous model year. Considering this base model now includes Amazon Alexa integration and access to the polymetal gray paint option, the adjustment is well justified. The 3.3 Turbo Preferred sees a larger increase of approximately $1,805, bringing its starting price to $42,950. This represents the highest percentage increase in the lineup, but it's also the trim that receives the most substantial content additions. The Preferred now includes ventilated front seats, heated second row seats, the 12.3-inch infotainment display, and a heated steering wheel, features that were previously exclusive to Premium Plus models. For plug-in hybrid models, price increases are even more conservative. The PHEV Preferred starts at $50,495, an increase of just $550 over the previous model year. This modest adjustment is particularly impressive when you consider that all 2026 PHEV models now include 21-inch wheels, ventilated front seats, heated first and second row seats, and a heated steering wheel as standard equipment. The 2026 Mazda CX-90 demonstrates exactly how a vehicle should evolve, addressing owner feedback while expanding premium features to more accessible price points. From the subtle styling refinements and the migration of comfort features down to mid-tier trim, trims to the introduction of the aggressive premium sport variant and the critical software refinements for the plug-in hybrid, Mazda is methodically closing the gap with established luxury competitors. The expanded technology suite and modest price increases ensure this three-row SUV remains competitive on value, making it a compelling proposition for buyers seeking a premium family hauler. But the competition is getting tougher, especially from Korean brands like Kia, which continues to redefine what excellent value means. If you want to learn more about the new generation of the Kia Telluride, make sure to check out our video about the key differences between the new and the old model. The new Telluride is even more luxurious, more stylish, and comes with two brand new powertrain options.